lecture we will find the integrals of the some standard function. So question is, find the integrals of the following function. First question is sine square 2x plus 5 solution. So we denote by integral I first. Let I equal to integration sine square 2x plus 5 dx. So we have discussed basic principle how to integrate this thing. First you have to remove the power. So we use this basic formula sine square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So using this basic formula we have to remove the power. We have already discussed this thing. So 1 minus cos 2 into 2x plus 5, so 4x plus 10 upon 2 dx. So remove the power. Now we integrate term wise. So 1/2 is constant, 1/2 integration 1 dx minus 1/2 integration cos 4x plus 10 dx. Now here you note that x is replaced by, in this particular form, x is replaced by ax plus b. So we have to use 1 by a formula. So answer is this integration 1 x by 2 minus integration of cos sine 4x plus 10 upon 4 using this principle. So 4 into 2 1 by 8 plus constant of integration. So this is the solution. Second problem is sine 3x into cos 4x. Integrate this thing. So it is a multiplication form. So we have to express linear combination of sine or cos function. So first we denote this integral I. First we write bigger angle cos 4x into sine 3x dx. Now multiplied by 2 divide by 2, multiplied by 2 divide by 2, use 2cs, 2cs, that is s minus s, s minus s. So using this formula, so this is 1/2 integration s minus s sine 4x plus 3x 7x minus sine 4x minus 3x, so sine x dx. We have used this formula sine 4x plus 3x minus sine 4x minus 3x, 2cs s minus s. Now term wise we can integrate. So integration of sine minus cos 7x by 7, 7 into 2 14, integration sine minus, here also minus, so minus minus plus cos x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Next, third one, integrate this function cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. So let us denote this integral by I. We have to integrate this thing, cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x dx. So we have to express this multiplication form into linear combination of sine and cos function. So for that purpose 2cc c plus c. So we will use this basic principle of trigonometry. So multiplied by 2 divided by 2 integration. First we write down cos 2x as it is. Inside we write bigger angle first one, 2 cos 6x into cos 4x dx. Now so here multiplied by 2 divided by 2 and use 2cc c plus c. So using that particular result, this is nothing but integration cos 2x 2cc c plus c 6x plus 4x tan x 2cc c plus c cos 6x minus 4x 2x dx. We have used this formula, 2 cos 6x cos 4x c plus c 6x plus 4x plus cos 6x minus 4x. In short, we have used 2cc c plus c. Now again multiplied by 2 divided by 2 and again use same result. So 2 2s are 4, integration we write bigger angle, so 2 cos tan x into cos 2x plus 2 cos square 2x dx. So in first term we will use 2cc c plus c, while in second term we know how to integrate. We have to remove the power using the basic principle. So this is 1 by 4 2cc c plus c cos tan x plus 2x 12x plus cos tan x minus 2x 8x and 2 cos square 2x 1 plus cos 4x dx. Here we have used the result 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Angle is double, so here 2x it will be 2 times 2x, that is 4x. So now we can integrate term wise. So integration 1 by 4 integration of cos 12x sin 12x by 12 integration cos 8x sin 8x upon 8, 1 by a formula. Now we write integration of cos 4x sin 4x by 4 and integration of 1 dx, that is x, plus constant of integration. You can simplify by expanding this. Just simply open the bracket and simplify, you will get the solution. We have already integrated. Fourth one, integrate the function sine cube 2x plus 1. So we have to integrate this thing, sine cube. We know how to integrate this thing. We have to remove the power. Answer may be different if you use two different formula. Uh, Nature of the solution may be different. So here we use this formula, sine 3 theta, 34 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So from this, sine cube theta equal to 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So we have obtained formula for sine cube theta. Take theta equal to 2x plus 1. So sine cube 2x plus 1 equal to 3 by 4 sine theta 2x plus 1 minus minus 1 by 4 sine 1 by 4 sine 3 into theta, that is 3 into 2x plus 1, 6x plus 3. So we will replace this value for sine cube 2x and we will integrate this thing. We have already discussed basic principle how to remove square power and how to integrate sine square, cos square, sine cube, cos cube, etc. So let us denote this integral by I. Say you can derive this one. Give result number 1. Let I equal to integration I equal to sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. Now using result 1, this is 3 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 sine 6x plus 3 dx. So now we can integrate term wise and we have to use 1 by a formula, integration f of x dx equal to f of x plus c double imply, then integration f of ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a f of ax plus b plus c. So when we integrate, we will use this result. So integration of sine, it is minus cos 2x plus 1 upon 2. So 2 into 4, 8. Integration sine minus minus plus cos 6x plus 3 upon 6 into 4, 24 plus constant of integration. So angle may be different. You should familiar with the basic principle how to remove the power. In place of 2x plus 1, angle may be different. Next one, integrate following function sine cube x so again we will use same principle. Answer may be different if you apply different formula. So you should not worried, you should familiar with both the formula. Now let us denote this integral by I sine cube x cos cube x dx. So as usual, to convert into standard form, multiplied by 8 divided by 8. So this is 1 by 8 2 sine x cos x cube dx. So 2 sine theta cos theta sine 2 theta. So this is 1 by 8 integration sine cube 2x dx. We have used this result 2 sine x cos x sine 2x. So sine cube 2x. Now in apply this formula. So since we have already derived this result, sine cube theta 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So take theta equal to theta equal to 2x. So sine cube 2x, it will be 3 by 4 sine 2x minus 1 by 4 sine 3 into 2x 6x. Say result 1. So now we can replace this one 1 by 8 integration 3 by 4 sine 2x minus 1 by 4 sine 6x dx. So term wise we can integrate. Integration of sine minus 3 cos 2x upon 2. So 4 into 2 8, 8 into 8. So this is 64. Integration sine minus, so minus minus plus cos 6x upon 6. So 4 into 6 into 8. So upon 4 into 6 into 8 plus constant of integration. This you can simplify. Now this is method 1. There is also an alternate method to integrate this thing. Same can be integrated as, or you note the alternate method so that you can get idea. But in both the method, answer may be different or it may be differ by a constant. So it may possible, but for MCQ purpose you should familiar with both the methods. So suppose we denote this by sine cube x cos cube x dx. So this can be written as sine x into sine square x into cos cube x dx. So integration sine x sine square 1 minus cos square x into cos cube x dx. So now to integrate this thing, put cos x equal to t. Therefore differentiate both sides, sine x dx minus dt. You take minus right hand side. So this can be written as 1 minus t square cos x, that is t, this is t cube, and sine x dx, it is minus dt. Now we simplify. So this is ordinary simplification, t raised to 5 minus t cube dt. So term wise we can integrate. So this is 1 by 6 t raised to 6, 1 by 4 t raised to 4 plus c. Put value for t equal to cos x. So this is cos raised to 6x by 6 minus 1 by 4 cos raised to 4x plus c. So this is alternate method, but you can observe in both the method nature of the solution is different. Here you observe the solution, and in the same problem you observe this solution, but we can simplify this thing and we can prove that solution is either same or differ by constant. Here if you replace, if you convert cos 2x and cos 6x in terms of cos x, you can simplify, and solution may be equal or it may be differ by a constant. So you should familiar by both the method. So next one, integrate the function sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x. So actually this is multiplication form, so we have to convert it into a linear combination of sine and sine or cos function. So we denote this integral by I. We write sin 3x sin 2x sin x dx. Now we use this formula 2ss c minus c, that is 2 sin alpha sin beta. This is exceptional cases, cos alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta. Using this basic formula of trigonometry, we will integrate this thing. So first, as usual, multiplied by 2, divide by 2. So this is 1/2 integration 2 sin 3x sin 2x into sin x. Now into bracket apply 2ss c minus c 3x minus 2x x cos 3x plus 2x 5x sin x. Here into bracket we have used this formula 2ss c minus c cos 3x minus 2x, that is x, and minus cos 3x plus 2x. Again multiplied by 2, divide by 2, so 2 2s are 4. Here expand the bracket 2 sin x cos x, this into this, minus 2 cos 5x sin x dx. So 2 sin theta cos theta, so this is sin 2 theta. So integration sin 2x. Now 2cs, so 2cs it is s minus s. So this is 2cs s minus s sin 5x plus x minus sin 5x minus x 4x dx. So first we simplify this thing. So this is 1 by 4 integration sine 2x minus sine 6x minus minus plus sine 4x into dx. So you note that angle may be different, but you should know how to express as a linear combination of, here we have multiplication form and we have converted it into a linear combination of sine and cos function. So this can be integrated as 1 by 4 minus cos 2x by 2. Here when you integrate, minus minus plus 1 by 6 cos 6x. Here integration will be minus 1 by 4 integration sine cos 4x plus constant of integration. Now you can simplify this thing. So you should familiar with method. Angle may be different. Seventh one, integrate following function sine 4x sine 8x. So we denote this integral by I. So let I equal to integration. First we write bigger angle sine 8x sine 4x dx. So we know how to integrate this thing. Multiplied by 2, divide by 2, 2ss, it is c minus c, but here first it will be alpha minus beta and here it will be alpha plus beta. So this is 1 half integration 2ss c minus c 8x minus 4x minus cos 8x plus 4x dx. Using this formula 2ss c minus c. So this is nothing but 1 half integration cos 4x minus cos 12x dx. So term wise we can integrate this thing. 1 half integration cos 4x sine 4x by 4 minus sine 12x by 12 plus constant of integration. Now you can expand the bracket and simplification, further simplification you can give. Next one, integration, integrate this function 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x. So we denote this integral by I. Integration 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Now using trigonometric formula, this is 1 minus cos x 2 sine square x by 2. This is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So it will be a known formula tan square x by 2 dx. Separately we have already discussed how to integrate this thing. So for tan square we have to remove the power. So integration tan square x, to integrate this thing, replace using identity, replace tan square x by 2 by sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now we can integrate term wise. So this is integration sec square x by 2 dx minus 1 dx. Here you have to take care, you have to use 1 by a formula because x is replaced by ax plus b. So you have to use 1 by a formula. So integration sec square x by 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2. So using that 1 by a formula, into denominator there will be 1 by 2. So this is 2 tan x by 2, 1 dx x plus constant of integration. So this is the integration. So answer is 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Next one, integrate cos x upon 1 plus cos x. So we denote this integral by I. Integration cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. We know we have no formula for division. We have to convert into our standard form so that one can use basic formula of the integration. So you have to convert it into a standard form. So for that purpose, in numerator we add 1 and subtract 1. Otherwise there is no shortcut or no alternate method. If you are not able to convert or reduce into standard form, you can't integrate this thing. So in numerator we have add 1 and subtract 1. So now divide each term by 1 plus cos x. So 1 minus 1 plus cos x dx. Again you note that this is nothing but 1 minus 1 plus cos x, 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2. So 1 plus cos x, so this is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So this is nothing but integration 1 minus 1 half sec square x by 2 dx. Now we integrate term wise, integration 1 dx minus 1 half integration sec square x by 2 dx. Now we can integrate. You can observe we have reduced it into a standard form so that we can apply our basic formula of integration. Now we integrate term wise 1 dx x minus, this is tan x by 2 and 1 by a formula. So upon 1 half plus constant of integration. So you can simplify this thing. So answer is 2 cancel. So answer is x minus tan x by 2 plus c. 10th one, integrate sine raised to 4x. We have already discussed how to integrate sine raised to 4x. So you have to remove the power. Sine raised to 4x, this can be written as same sine raised to 4x cos raised to 4x. We have already discussed method how to integrate this thing. Angle may be different. Write down sine square x into sine square x. Replace sine square 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Here also 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Again multiply, simplify, use if required multiplied by 2, divide by 2, and use formula 2cc c plus c. So we have already discussed this thing, how to integrate this type of function. Here angle may be different, sine raised to 4 2x, sine raised to 4 3x, angle may be different. So you are familiar with this integral. Next one, integrate sine square x upon 1 plus cos x. So we denote this integral by I. Integration sine square x 1 plus cos x dx. Numerator replace sine square by 1 minus cos square x. Initially you will get some problem how to get such type of idea, but if you use some alternate method you can't reduce into standard form. So immediately you will get idea that numerator must be replaced by 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x, using trigonometric identity, it is 1 minus cos square x. 1 plus cos x dx. Now numerator can be factorized. 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Now we can simplify. So this is nothing but 1 minus cos x dx. Now we can integrate term wise. 1 dx minus integration cos x dx. So you can also try this integration, cos square x upon 1 minus sin x, or cos square x upon 1 plus sin x, so that you can get idea that numerator must be replaced by identity, and then you can integrate, you can reduce it into standard form. So now final answer is integration of this thing, x minus sin x plus constant of integration. So this is the answer.